Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing like an everyday makeup routine, and we're going to start out by moisturizing our lips because my lips, I need to keep them moisturized. They're not dry, but I just feel like I have to have moisturized lips, and this is from the brand Nivea. I love their lip balm. Their lip balm is everything. And now I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Complexion face primer, and I'm going to be definitely applying that to the face today because I'm hella dry right now and I need some primer on my skin. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then apply my brows off camera because video will probably be about an hour or too long. And now I'm going to be taking the concealer from e.l.f. to kind of clean everything up. And this concealer is a really good concealer, guys, and I really highly recommend you guys purchase it. And I'll have the name link below. 16-hour cameo at that. The cameo concealer is really good. It's very well for coverage, and I'm just going to be cleaning up my brows and also using it as a primer as well. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. This is their setting powder for eyes. And this is like the smoothest, you guys, setting powder that I usually use under the eyes. And it just allows eyeshadows to glide on very, very smoothly. And then on top of that, the eyeshadows just really stand out even more. Like, it's just that extra oomph that it gives to the look. So that's, I use this every day, even you know, filming a bright, colorful look, metallic look. I use this eye setting powder every day. It's amazing. Then I'm going in with the Beige Cosmetics Sunset Palette. I'm going to be taking the browns out of the palette. I'm going to take that top one, and I'm going to take that lower, the one next, under the top one, and I'm going to be applying it to the crease. And then I'm going to be taking a lighter shade, and I'm kind of going to buff out the shadows because I kind of like a shade where it's light enough for me to buff out and not too harsh at the end of the day. So I really like it. And then I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl palette, and I'm going to take that matte black, and I'm going to be applying it to the crease, and I'm going to also clean it up as I apply with concealer. I'm going to take this gorgeous brown shade from the palette, and I'm going to also apply it to the lid and making sure that I blend it out as I go. And then I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to add it to the outer V, and I'm going to connect it to the crease. But I'm not going to overly connect it to where it's really, really harsh, but I'm going to connect it to where I can be able to blend it. And I'm going to take a brown shade. I'm going to be applying the colors, just making sure that it won't, you know, overlap the colors or anything. Applying my favorite eyeliners from NYX, and this is their skinny eyeliner, and I love the tilt of this eyeliner. Like, it just glides all across your upper lash line very, very smoothly, and I really don't have a problem with applying my wing eyeliners because this is like a big help when I use it. It's a huge help.